Someone cared, and it reflects in the immaculate condition of this 2-bedroom ranch with gleaming hardwood floors. There are built-in cabinets throughout the home. This home was built to last for generations. There is a feeling of spaciousness in the large, bright living room, eat-in kitchen, and first-floor laundry. Included is a 2-car detached garage, fenced-in backyard with beautiful landscaping. The crawl space is more than 4 ft tall with access near the rear porch. It is also where the newer furnace is located.